Alam ko, shopping is life. Pero syempre, smart spending dapat. Kaya in today's video, pag-uusapan natin ang top 5 credit cards para sa mga girls sa Pilipinas. Kaya kung mahilig kang mag-shopping, travel, or mag-coffee habang nag-chika with friends, may perfect card para sa'yo. Stay tuned hanggang dulo para malaman kung alin ang best para sa'yo. And syempre, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button para hindi ka ma-miss out sa mga best financial tips. Number 5, BPI Amore Cashback Card. Kung certified mall rat ka, girl, this one's for you. With up to 4% cashback sa shopping, dining at bills, talagang parang may rebate kang pang next purchase. Best for girls who love shopping at Ayala Mall's perks. Cashback, exclusive mall discounts and promos. Ang downside lang, medyo limited ang cashback sa ibang categories. Pero kung lagi ka namang nasa mall, why not make the most out of it? Baka ito na ang sign para mas lalong maging discount queen. Number 4, HSBC Red Mastercard. Kung dining ang travel and trip mo, this card is a must-have. With 4 times points sa shopping and dining, plus travel perks, hindi lang wallet mo ang winner, pati taste buds mo rin. Best for foodies and travel lovers. Ang perks, 4 times points on dining and shopping, travel promos, ang downside lang, medyo mataas ang annual fee kung hindi ka heavy user. Pero girl, kung mahilig ka sa food trip at travel goals, sulit to, kasi who doesn't love rewards points? Number 3, Metrobank Fem Visa. Dahil babae tayo, dapat may card din na para sa atin. Metrobank Fem Visa offers exclusive perks for women, lalo na sa health, beauty, and shopping. May free insurance din for female-related concerns. Best for health-conscious and beauty lovers. Ang perks niya, exclusive beauty and wellness discounts, free insurance. Downside niya, medyo limited ang cashback feature. Kaya kung self-care queen ka, this card is the ultimate bestie mo. Retail therapy plus insurance? Yes please! Number 2, Union Bank Play Everyday Card. Kung mahilig kang mag-shopping and gusto mo ng rewards, this card is perfect. Earn points for every spend at may bonus points pa for reaching spending goals. Best for girls who love rewards and cashbacks. Perks, points for all purchases, bonus rewards. Downside niya, not much travel perks. Pero kung reward queen ka, aba, bawat swipe mo, may kapalit. Diba ang saya? Number 1, City Rewards Card. And the queen of them all, City Rewards Card. Bakit? Kasi only points siya. Yes, walang cap. So kahit gaano kadalas kang mag-shopping, may points ka pa rin. Best for girls who love only rewards. Ang perks niya, no limit points. Shopping discounts. Ang downside niya, medyo strict sa application approval. Pero girl, kung gusto mo ng ultimate rewards experience, this is it. Swipe, earn, repeat. So there you have it mga ka-cards, ang top 5 credit cards para sa mga girls sa Pilipinas. Ano ang favorite mo? Let me know in the comments. At syempre, kung gusto mo pang malaman ng iba pang best financial tips, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Thanks for watching and stay fabulous, financially smart, and empowered.